I'm Shane26 and I'm doing Lego Jurassic World. I'm really not going to show the gameplay. I'm just going to show you how to make the Lego Indoraptor in this game. There's two ways you can do it. You can do it as big as the Indominus Rex, or you can do it the size of the Raptor. We'll be back in a sec. So right now I'm in the lab of Jurassic World, and now I'm going to show you how to make the Indoraptor in both ways. So right now I'm going to start with custom Indominus Rex. So I just do the head first. I do the head of the Indominus Rex, and then I keep the body of a Stegosaurus. Well, no, I'm gonna keep the body, the Indominus Rex, and then make tail still Indominus Rex, and then you just color it to look like the Indoraptor. So use black, and then the secondary color you use a yellowish, orangish color, kind of like this. And then for the third color, black. And then for a pattern, you can use leopard print, pixels. I prefer pixels because it just looks like the movie. So it has the ability to go invisible. And then go back. I'm gonna go down to my Raptor now. So I do it a different way. I use the head of the Indominus for the Raptor, but since there's no back option for the Indominus on the Raptor, you have to use. I use the Stegosaurus. Keep the tail the same. Then I use black again, and then that yellowish orangish color. And then pixels. Well, I also have to use this black. So that's how I make the Indoraptor, Raptor size and Indominus size. So now I'm going to show you each one. So be back in a sec. Be back in a sec. So I'm in the T-Rex enclosure right now. I'm using that because it's one of my favorite spots, and it's close to the Innovation Center. There's a lot of things. Well, I'm gonna show you my dinos first. Where are they? There it is. So you have to go to these blue panels to summon dinosaurs. So I'm gonna start with my Indoraptor with the Indominus size. There it is. It's hard to see. There it is. It's able to roar and destroy objects. And it can also turn itself invisible. If you want to make your Indoraptor not seeable at all, you have to you can make the whole thing black. It's crazy how black will make it totally invisible. So now I'm going to summon my other Indoraptor. Oh, yeah. It can also stomp down hard. So now, my custom Velociraptor, which I made the Indoraptor, it's able to go invisible. And it's able to whip its tail and attack. And now I'm going to release the T-Rex into the enclosure. it's gonna wreak some havoc. I'm going to do a fight against the big Indominus and the T-Rex, and then the small Indoraptor and the T-Rex. I have to take out this one. There we go. Again, it can stomp if it's in the Indominus size. So now I'm going to use my ACU Trooper. Going to use my ACU Trooper to activate the T-Rex control. Well, I'm going to release the T-Rex. Alright. Is that one target? Here it is. Now I'm going to do an epic battle. You'd get a gold brick up there if you do that before you complete the story. Or, yeah. Wait, where's my... Summon the Indoraptor again. Here's educational part of this. Alright, Indoraptor versus T-Rex. Alright, see what we can do. What? Come on. Alright, yeah. Come on. Looks like that T-Rex wasn't in the battling mood right now. Alright, so now I'm going to show you my smaller Indoraptor to fight that T-Rex again. It might be obvious who wins, or if the T-Rex is still in a battling mood. Okay, yeah. So, it's obvious the T-Rex doesn't feel like a battle, so yeah, now it's time to wrap things up.